LGU and the DepEd also declared no face-to-face classes because it's so hard for the, especially in the elementary, the pupils to cope up with this kind of weather.